discussed previously, above this level we have to look for buying opportunities, and those who haven't got entry, I had told them to wait for a retracement and then take entry. So they might have gotten an entry in here, so at this level, and we have got our almost 47 pips from here till here. We have gotten 43 to 47 pips. So this level, our trail SL got hit below this level. Okay, and after the retracement, we have taken another entry here, and still our target will be there until and unless our trail SL gets hit. Okay, so below this level I have put my trail SL, and below this level if it touches, then no problem, again we'll give the an SL. So I'll modify new support. Okay, so new support and resistances have been modified. So above this level we have to look for buying opportunities only. At this level, if you get any support or any bounce from here, then again you can look for try for this target, and this will be the entry point here. We have to, below this level we have to look for shorting opportunities in half quantity only, because the trend is on the upside. You can see we are in a bullish trend, so it's better we take only half quantity while shorting. And in here we have to again look for buying opportunities. Okay, still here we have to look for buying opportunities only. Any double bounce type of pattern or bullish type of pattern gets made, then we have to look for buying opportunities in here only. Below this level, if you get any entry, then you take in half quantity for shorting opportunities. Okay, so and if it gives a sudden down move below this level, then we have to look for shorting opportunities. In Euro USD also we have gotten a trade of, in Euro USD also we have gotten a trade of 13 pips. You see 12 pips easily. Two times we have got. First, you see there was an entry in here. I had told that we had to look for buying opportunities. It will try to make an inverted head and shoulders type of pattern. Reason being, you see, first let me show you this. You see this is an inverted head and shoulders type of pattern. If we remove this part, because in volatility it has given a complete upside move and then complete downside move. This is a volatile area. Otherwise you can see this is the left head shoulder, this is the middle head, and this is the right head shoulder, and then it has gone upside. I had told that it will make such type of pattern, then we have to look for entry, and in here this will be the entry point and this will be target. This is a no trade zone, so those who haven't taken, they got an entry in here and the target was here. We are still a little bit far away from achieving it. It completely went in a direction, then gave a reverse, and in here also we had got an entry. From here to here, in one sweep it gave a target and then completely reversed. So almost new support and resistances have been modified. So below this level only we have to look for shorting opportunities. Target will be here. Next level, trace here and then give a bounce, then we'll look for target this, and above this level we can look in good quantity for buying. Okay, in Bitcoin also nothing major happened, same volatility. At this level I had told for buying opportunities, and at this area I had told let it make a good double bottom type of pattern, then only we have to look for trade. So nothing like that happened. Below this level we have to look for shorting opportunities, and it is still hovering over this area in 500 point range, and I don't think by seeing the momentum that it will give a further downside move. Only thing is it will give a target, it will give target above this level. Okay, from here till here look for scalp opportunities only in half quantity, and below this level again we'll look for shorting opportunities once it comes down below this level. Okay, until and unless it crosses this level, then only we have to look for shorting opportunities. Make the quantity half because of this volatility. This sharp upside downside move is very critical, and it will take RSL more often than normal. So below this level we have to look for shorting opportunities in full quantity. Same, nothing changed. And in gold also our stop losses got a hit again. The problem was we had taken an entry above this level. We had decided that above this level we look for buying opportunities, and it went only 250 pips in our direction and then complete reversal. So here our stop loss, complete stop loss wasn't hit my SL till cost, because the thing is the only way to trade is if you trade small, if your stop losses are small and targets are big. This is the only thing which is going to protect you no matter what amount of experience you have or not. It's better that above this level or above the, it's better that you take your stop losses very often but in small, because you cannot take a win rate of 80 to 70%. Going to protect you is your stop losses and your targets, no matter the win rate. If you are having a win rate of 26% also on SL, which is of 2 points, and target is 1:4, 1:5, then it is better. So how 1:6 is achieved, I'll tell you. See, stop losses are small and targets are big, it is very highly likely that you will be profitable in the long term. See, in here also, if an entry here and our target is here, okay, you see 1:4 we are still achieving, because the reason is my stop losses are very small, and in keeping the stop losses small, to keep this stop loss small, the only thing which we need, which you have to keep working on, is the entry. If the entry is on the right place, then it is very highly likely that you will get 1:4, 1:5 also. So if I had taken a trade here and the target was above this level, entry here and target till here, okay, so if I have achieved this level, then you can see that I am getting 1:7 ratio, 1:8 ratio, and if my stop losses get hit, then it is very highly likely that I can take trade 2 to 4 times. You see, 6 times SL is of 60 pips, 70 pips, not major SLs. 2 to 3 times I have to take SL. And take SL, the more the probability is on my side, and the more chances I get to be right. Okay, so I can be wrong in 100 trades, but if I am right, then I can write this trend. So if I tried this trend, you see, I tried this. If I had wrote this trend, see, I'll be achieving still 1:3. And if my trail SL got hit, see, below this level, if I'm trailing my SL very tightly, then also 1:2. And above this level, if in here my trail SL gets hit, I'm getting 1:1, minimum 1.5. So that's how you take a trade. And no matter the win rate, it is very good that you take small stop losses and big targets. That's the only way to trade, because the volatility will be eating you. There are very high chances that many days you will be getting a consolidation market like this here. So it's better, see, like here, if you are trading, you see, one entry of 60 pips. Once my SL got it, second time my SL got it, okay, third time I'm getting an entry and see the target. In third time I'm getting 120 pips. Okay, you see, this was target, this was our initial target, but it reached till 15%, 50% of the direction, and then completely reversed. So when it reversed completely, then 2 pips is recovering our previous two stop losses. So in previous two stop losses also, if it had went in our and also if it had went in our direction, then I had got, and I have covered my previous SL, and also I've got in profit also. So this is how you trade. So if you like my videos, please like and